Dr. Teresa Hershey, and this is my patient today, Shirley. Shirley's my granny dog. She's 18 years old, and she has some weakness issues, just like a lot of geriatric patients do. And so she's a great demonstration dog on how to do a three-legged stand. A three-legged stand is an exercise that I will prescribe for dogs where I'm trying to strengthen up their core muscles, their back or their abdominal muscles. For example, dogs that have had a back injury, slipped disc or something like that, those dogs, we really need to strengthen their core. Or if we are trying to encourage weight bearing on an affected limb. So to start this exercise, we need to start with the patient in what I like to call a square stand, where their front and back legs are pretty symmetrical. And then once they're in that pose, we're going to pick up a leg, and Shirley's going to have to use her 3 other legs to balance. This is okay. I don't really like how she took a step forward there. I'd rather that she held the pose with without moving. Let's try it again here. We're going to this time lift up a front leg, gently lift up like this. I'm going to encourage her to stay in this square stand. Let's try that again. It's really important with this exercise that their form is good, because they won't get benefit from the exercise if their form is bad. There we go, that's pretty good. And sometimes if they're really struggling, they can injure themselves. That was a pretty good stand. Now we're going to move around to the right front leg. I'll lift that up. Oh, that's a little bit easier for her. She's getting more used to this exercise. She's not wobbling and wavering quite as much as she did. And finally, I'm going to move back to the right rear leg. And typically I like to hold the leg up for 5 to 10 seconds. I'm doing it a little bit faster just for demonstrative purposes here. I like to do this exercise 2 times around the body, 2 times. And that's how you do the three-legged stand.